Hello, my name is Praveen Andrews. My friend, welcome to this video. In a mixing bowl, combine 2.5 cups of low-fat yogurt with 2.5 cups of water. Add 3/4 teaspoons salt and whisk the mixture until it is uniform in texture. Keep it aside. Coarsely grind the following ingredients in a blender. 3 green chilies split lengthwise, 1 teaspoon chopped fresh ginger, half teaspoon ground turmeric, 1/4 teaspoon cumin seeds, and 4 teaspoons water. Transfer the blended ingredients to a bowl. And keep it aside. Add 1 teaspoon oil to a kadai or wok pan and turn on the heat to medium-low. Add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. When the mustard seeds begin to burst, that is when you hear a crackling sound. Add half teaspoon fenugreek seeds and 1 tablespoon sliced onion or shallots. Stir and let the mixture cook until the onions are lightly browned. Add 2 to 3 red chilies torn into 1-inch pieces and 6 to 8 curry leaves. Stir the mixture until the chilies turn bright red. Typically, this should not take more than 30 seconds to 2 minutes to happen. Add the yogurt mixture that is set aside. Add the coarsely ground spices and vegetables that was kept aside. Stir thoroughly to blend all the ingredients together. Do not let the mixture boil. When you notice the first bubble appearing in the mixture, remove the pan from the heat. Transfer the mixture to a serving bowl. Optionally, to enhance the flavor of the dish, squeeze a few drops of lime juice from a lemon into it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful in any way, don't forget to click the like button. And I'd recommend you check out one of the videos listed on the screen, just like this one. And I'll see you in the next video.